School effectiveness. School effectiveness means the improvement or development that can be seen in the school. For example, development in student performance, teachers' performance, development in teaching learning, school activities, infrastructure, financial administration development, or overall development of the school. Ka school effectiveness ka mot ka jingkiu ne ka jingle bha jong ka school. La ha ka liang ka jingle bha ki khana, jingle bha ki nong hikai, jingle bha ha ki rukam ai jing hikai, ha ki kam school, la ha ki liang ki tiar kitar, ka pisa ka rukam penyait kam ha school, la ne baro ki badai bat ka jingkiu jing bha ka school. How are school effectiveness measured? Kumno nila bantep ba ka school jangi kala kiu ba. From student performance, ka jingle bha jongki khana, quality leadership, na ka jingdan jongki nanggilam bala tibit ba. From assessment and evaluation, na ka rukam wat ya ka jingla jing sing tho ya kilanong ni jing tip ki khana ya kilanong ni ki kam bala ai ha ki ha school. From goals and direction, na ka jing thmu bat ban pen i ya ki rukam ni ki lat ban kiu bha bat ban le bha. From secure, na ka jing shngain ka school. Ka bamon ka jing shngain ha ka liang ka jing sngew ki khana, ka jing shngain na ka jing ma ha ka liang ka met ni ka jing mut jing perkhat jongki. From organized, ka rukam penyait kam jong ka school. Size of the school, na ka jing he ni jing rit ni jing bon ni jing duna khana jong ka school. From quality teachers, na ki jing don ki nong hikai ki batibin. From parents and community involvement, ngilaro bantep na ka jingye shimbanta lang kikmi kikpa bat ka shnong hi baro ka way. Let us now see what Botha RJ 2010 from School Effectiveness Conceptualizing Divergence Assessment Approaches, South American Journal of Education. He explained that assessment approach to school effectiveness. He mentioned the 7 indicators from the framework of the first assessment approach, the indicator approach, TIA. Ki indicators ne kilat kilanti ki bakdew. Ki ne ki hinyautali ki indicator ki bakhodru kum ka indicator approach TIA. Na ki ne ki indicator ne kilat kilanti ki bakdew yang ni ba ngin la bantem ba ka school jangi ka kiu ni em hakarukam ka bade. Number 1. The goal indicator. Kabadang kong kabangila bantem na katong kaba ka school kala manglupa ya ki khana bat ki nong hikai banbun. Number 2, the external resource indicator. Ka jingerap ba ka school ka yo na bar kum ka jingerap pisa ni ki wedi ki bala banyarap ya ka roy ka par jong ka school banyat be shakmat ha ki por badan kam. Number 3, the internal process indicator. Kanipan kade na kikam ki baka school ka ju le hapo school kum ki school sport ki tamasa ki jingya ko bonjen ki jingya kren bat esham bat ki kmi ki pa ki nong ya lam bat ki no hikai ki bala tbit bha bat ki wedi. Number 4, satisfaction indicator. Kabasaw pati kadai na ka jingya ha jingmut ha pedeng ki para nong hikai ki nong ya lam ki nong pet ya ka school ki SMC ki khanna bat ki kmi ki pa bat ka imlang sa lang hi barok away. Number 5, legitimacy indicator. Nila ro bantep pa ka school ka kiu ba na ki an jong ka school ki badai ban long kat kum ka an ka bay ha pat ki khana ni ka imlang sa lang bat kam day ban long ka babi. Number 6, from organizational indicator. Kani pat kadai karukom panyait kam ka badai ban long kat kum ka juk ni karukom panyait ka badai. Kabala ban yarap ha ka jingkiu ka school ki khana ki briu bat ka rihi barok away. Number 7, ineffectiveness indicator. Kini pat kidai ki kam ba ka school ka le ki bam ya ha ka roy ka par jong ka school kila bandai ru ka jing ya kaja jing sniu badan hapo ka school kum ki jing fail ki khana ki jing no school ki khana ki jing mi shiteng por ki khana ni ki nong hikai ru na ka school kala ban long ru ka jing chat jing pay ka yeng school ni bamdan ki kamra badan kam ni kamadan le kai ni ka light ni ki way di na kini ru nila ban yo jing tem ni jing keng ba ka school jung ni ka long ni em ka babiang.